Hey y'all, today I'm unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I've got the standard version right here and I'm super excited to dive in. I'll be playing with it for now until all my accessories come in later today, so let's see what we're working with. Okay, so let's get into what's in the box. It does come with a quick start guide where it has your standard manual. I think there's a sticker in there too, and it's just giving you more information about your camera itself. Then inside we have the adapter here that you can plug into the camera, and we also have the cable as well. I believe this is a Type-C cable. So if you need to charge it, there you go. You also have a wrist strap that comes with the camera, and that's going to give you some better stability. And of course, the star of the show here with the case attached. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Very cute. It's honestly crazy how small this thing is, and trust me, it works like a beast. I used this on my Japan trip and I didn't even bother pulling out my Canon Mark II G7X. That's how good this little guy was, you guys. Honestly, one of my favorite things about this camera is the tracking feature. Check it out. It follows me across the room, y'all. So if you're a one-woman show like myself, this is a game changer. And of course, I had to throw in a few clips of my boys so you can see how good the quality is. Like, seriously, look at the detail on this thing. Absolutely insane. I'll be using this more over the next few days, and once all my accessories come in, I'll be doing a full set of videos so you can see how everything works together. But this is honestly the reason why I've been showing up more on my socials, mainly because it's just so easy for me to use. Like, I literally cannot wait. And by the way, if you guys are interested in seeing some of that behind the scenes like footage from my trip from Japan in the next video, just comment below and let me know. But honestly, this camera is amazing.